Friends, first of all, watch this video. By uploading videos like this page has gained more than 300k followers. And so far, they have uploaded only 38 videos. Yet they've gained over 300k followers. In today's video, we'll learn how to make this type of video. That too without spending any money. By uploading videos like these, you can gain a good number of followers. And the interesting part is, very few people are making these kinds of videos. If you make videos like this, you can grow your page very fast. So don't skip the video at all, otherwise you might miss an important step. So let's start the video. First of all, come to ChatGPT. Now take a screenshot of that video for reference. Click on the plus icon, then tap on Photos. After that, select the screenshot image. Now type this here. Write a detailed prompt of this image. It's a miniature egg eating itself. After typing this, send it. Now we'll get a prompt to generate images, using which we can create the same type of images. You can create such images using any item. After getting the prompt, copy it and go to Google. Here, type Whisklab AI and open the first website. After opening it, you'll see an interface like this. Click on Enter Tool. Now paste the prompt you copied here. Then select the portrait ratio because we're making reels and shorts. Do one more thing, otherwise the results won't be good. Click on this icon and add your reference image. After that, simply click on Generate. It takes a few seconds, and you can generate unlimited images here. There is no limit. As you can see, the image is generated. The image looks really amazing. Click on it and download it. If you want any other item instead of an egg, come back to ChatGPT again and type, replace egg with apple. You can write the name of any item according to your choice. After getting the new prompt, follow the same method, copy the prompt, come to Whisk AI, remove the old prompt, and paste the new one, then send it. You can see the image is generated, and the image quality is also excellent. You can create as many images as you want using the same method. Now we'll convert the image into a video, which means we'll add motion to the image. Now come to Grok and open it. After opening it, we need to change one setting first. Watch carefully, otherwise you might face issues while generating the video. Click on this icon, and you'll see the settings option. Click on it. Here you'll find an option called Behavior. Click on it. Now find Enable Automatic Video Generation and turn it off. After doing this, go back. Now come back to ChatGPT. Now we'll generate a video prompt. Type this here. I need visual prompt for egg eating itself with ASMR sounds. Type this and send it. Now we'll get a video prompt. As you can see, the video prompt is ready. Copy this prompt. Now come to Grok. On the left side, you'll find the Imagine option. Click on it. Then click on See All and select your image. After the image is uploaded, paste the video prompt and click on Generate. The video will start generating. It takes a few seconds, and the video quality is really good. As you can see, the video is generated. Let me play it for you. The video looks very impressive. Before downloading the video, click on the three dots and select Upscale Video. This will convert the video into HD. After that, download it. You have to create videos like this daily and upload them on YouTube and Instagram. You can generate unlimited videos from here. There will be no problem at all. Friends, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.